Watch my dive and keep my mouth closed.
Okay. Good
See,
job.
I keep my mouth closed.
That was a good one. You want to show me another one?
No, I don't want to show anymore.
Okay.
Watch this. Watch this.
You silly.
I love this. I'm feel the water.
Does it feel good?
I'm feel the water. Feel it.
Does it feel good? Oh,
I'll give you a hint.
a hint of the water. Ooh.
Great.
Yeah,
It's
it feels,
great.
it's great.
It's so warm.
Oh boy.
It's so warm. Are you sure you don't want to get in here?
Not right now.
Get in so we can go to the float.
No, I'm like,
I'll go to the float with the boys.
not right now.
Now, can you come in?
Can you go show me your jump?
I already did.
You want to do another one?
No thanks.